Preview.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another Property Fire Home Tour. And I'm your real estate broker, and currently we are in Barangay Imelda, San Juan, Batangas City. As you can see behind me, it's a really beautifully structured house sitting in a 1,800 square meters lot. It gives you a rustic theme, or yung parang meron na vegan vibes if nakapunta na kayo sa vegan, di ba? But before I tour you in the main house, alam nyo ba guys, or did you know, this is really close to the beach, like an 8-minute walk to the beach. Plus, ang i-flex ko doon is meron tayong private na footpath going to the beach. And yun yung muna gagawin natin. Kaya, let's go guys! And hi guys! O diba, ang lapit natin sa beach. It only took us around 8 to 10 minutes walk from the house, passing through the private, i-flex ko lang, private na footpath going to the beach. Ang diba guys, super lapit lang niya. Hindi nga siya fronting the beach, pero while walking or passing through the private footpath, guys, makikita niyo yung greeneries, nakaka-relax. And also, it's a bit of an exercise. Ngayon, sa panahon na to, kailangan natin na exercise. And if ever ayaw nyo mag-walk, you have an option to go around using your private vehicle going to the beach from the house and lots, guys. And also, pagdating nyo dito by the beach, as you can see, meron tayong common or community cottage which can be used by the residents dito. And also, private lang yung footpath, only the residents doon. Kanina, doon sa street tayo lang pwedeng gumamit nun. So ayun guys, nakapag-relax talaga yung beach. Lalo na siguro kung makikita natin yung sunset. I can't wait to sunset and hopefully maabot ka natin din. Pero kung hindi, okay lang, maybe next time siguro when we view the property. And siguro it's time na to go back and tour you around sa beautifully constructed, rustic house and lot. So tara na guys! Guys, we're back at the main house, and as I was saying, tutur ko na kayo ngayon sa main house. Tara! So upon entering your main door, you will be welcomed by your main staircase. But before we go up, to your right, we have this guest bedroom. I think it will accommodate like 6 persons because there are 3 bunk beds. So super laki niya guys. And alam nyo ba, maganda to gawing rest house, family house, or maybe a short-term booking. Kasi previously parang ginagawang short-term booking yung place na to for corporate or yung sa mga company. The guest room has its own toilet and bath. Guys, ito yung shower area and dito yung toilet and bath, and there's a partition here para if may naliligo, pwede din doon sa toilet gumamit. Bedroom or guest room. So dito naman is your dining area. So I'll tour you around dito. So complete na, you have this dining area. It's wooden. Hindi lang siya basta-basta wood. It's malaki guys. Kanina, one of my friend tried to carry this pero sobrang bigat. Kahit yung bench, sobrang bigat siya guys. Plus, as we move forward, you have here your small dining area. Pag konti lang kayo. And then you have your island counter na made of wood plus yung bar dito. Disclaimer lang, not all items are included sa sale and decoration. So some of it will be pulled out when you purchase the unit guys. And also you have your indoor kitchen area here. Kasi we have our actually big kitchen outside for the nitty-gritty cooking process. And then if ever yung mga hindi naman masyadong nitty-gritty yung process ng pagluluto, pwede dito inside. So at least you can have two options. It's either you cook outside or you cook here inside. So that's for the kitchen or living area dito guys. And I think let's go sa second floor na. Ito yung makikita natin. So you have your parang living area or your family lounge. So you can watch movies or have bonding with your family or with your friends, pwede dito. And wala lang siyang mga couch kasi ano tayo medyo boho team tayo. And if nakikita nyo yung interior, it's more of a country style na rustic yung theme. Kasi nga yung house was inspired parang vegan style. Kasi to give you some fun facts, alam nyo ba, some items of the house or materials na ginamit is like galing wood from the boat, wood from the railway, or wood from the mansion sa vegan. So kaya yung theme niya goes with the vegan vibes talaga or rustic vibes talaga dito. And as we move forward guys, you also have our buffet table or pwede din siyang bar. So you have a bar here. Meron din tayong island counter like yung sa ground floor dito sa likod ko. Plus, we have our kitchenette. So, yung main dirty kitchen na dun sa labas, sa baba yung pinakita ko is yung parang indoor kitchen plus yung kitchenette dito sa likod ko. So, kapag gusto mo magluto or mag-prepare ng snacks or foods for your family or friends while watching the movie, so hindi nyo na kailangan bumaba, meron din tayo sa second floor. And ngayon, dito naman, meron naman tayong toilet and bath. Actually, every floor has a toilet and bath. Doon kanina sa baba, located yung toilet and bath sa dining area or sa kitchen area. Dito naman, dito siya sa family lounge. And doon sa right side would be your master's bedroom. So, come in guys. So you have here your queen size bed, the cabinets. Actually, malaki talaga siya for a bedroom talaga. And simple and minimalist type yung seller. Kaya konti lang yung items dito inside and wala masyadong mga decors. And it gives you the feeling na parang being more neat dito sa unit kasi yun, mga basic furniture lang yun nandito. Plus, di ba nandun meron tayong toilet and bath? So if ever nandito kayo sa bedroom, sa master's bedroom, meron naman tayong sariling toilet and bath. So the same lang siya, meron tayong shower area and toilet and bath. And ang pinaka-favorite ko dito guys, to access, meron doon sa common area plus dito sa master's bedroom. And if gusto niyo mag-relax or have some coffee, at least pwede kayong mag-relax dito. And if naririnig niyo sa video, sobrang mahangin talaga. Diba it's so airy guys? And it's so bright in here. So yun guys. Then across the rustic swing, andito naman yung chess table. Pwede siyang dual, pwedeng chess table, pwede din if gusto nyo mag-snack or have some coffee in the morning, so pwede to gamitin guys. Plus, ang ganda ng view dito guys. When you're having a hard time or if you want to think clearly, pwede ba number 1, pwede kayong pumunta sa dagat. Number 2, pwede kayo dito lang. Kasi ang ganda ng view guys. You can see the pool, tapos may gazebo, may guest room pa outside. And after the main house tour, I'll tour you around naman sa features na meron dito sa house and lot that we are selling. So, I think guys, that's all for the main house. And let's go down na so that you could see kung ano mga features ng gazebo, guest, and another guest room pa. Tara! Sitting on a 1,800 square meters lot is a pool area. It is located beside the gazebo, surrounded by plants and bearing trees, such as coconut trees and mango trees. So yun guys, natapos na naman tayo for another Property 5 home tour located in Barangay Enalda, San Juan, Batangas City. So if ever you want to view the actual unit or if you're interested to view the unit, you may contact us through our contact information provided in the description box below. If ever you have friends who are looking for this kind or type of property in Batangas City, please do share this video with them so that they can have an idea on what it looks like, guys. And again, this is your broker Rem, and let's get your Property 5 and see you on our next video or home tour episode.